Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to unlock WhatsApp chats. So to do that, let's head over to WhatsApp application. And once you are there, you will find your locked chats. If you scroll down, tap on locked chats and it will give you the option of giving your phone's password. So here I am currently tapping my phone's password, tapping on continue. And here goes my locked chats. And here I can see my chats that I have logged in my device. So here I have to keep tapped on this specific conversation, and there will be a three dots icon on the top right. And here you'll find the option of unlock chat. Once you tap on it, you will see another option where you have to give your password. So I'm tapping on unlock chat, and I'm currently giving my phone's password again, tapping on continue. And there is no more chats on my lock chats option, and it is unlocked. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.